Looking to simplify your luggage? This Bagsmart bag gives you lots of great suitcase features while keeping the weight and portability of a backpack. Let's get a closer look. It opens horizontally just like a suitcase and includes a strap to lock down your clothes. It's also got a large mesh pocket in the suitcase section. In the front, you've got 3 versatile pockets, the largest of which can fit most laptops. You've got another large flat pocket in the back that would also fit a laptop or a tablet. The back and straps are padded with breathable mesh, and there's also a strap that easily slips over a roller bag handle to keep all your luggage together. This bag fits about 8 days of my husband's warm weather extra large clothing, or about 8 days of my medium women's clothing. I love that it's a very comfortable backpack and it doesn't feel overly bulky on my 5'5" frame. And I love that it's made from high quality materials. The fabric is thick and durable, and the zippers don't catch or get stuck on awkward extra fabric. This is a great little bag. I really like this backpack, and I hope you'll like it too.